This 1937 Dodge Sedan is a classic gem priced at $15,500, located in Garden Valley, CA. It features a robust AMC 232 six-cylinder engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth driving experience. With an odometer reading of 100,000 miles, this vehicle is in good condition and boasts a clean title status. The interior is adorned with Cadillac upholstery, adding a touch of luxury to this vintage ride. The car is equipped with power brakes and an open rear end, making it an appealing choice for restoration enthusiasts or those looking for a vintage driver. Don't miss the chance to own this piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Up for sale is a 1937 Plymouth four-door sedan, a rare and classic hot rod with a 350 Chevy engine paired with a Rochester four-barrel carburetor. This vintage vehicle features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a clean Arizona title. It comes with aluminum wheels, a Dakota digital instrument cluster, electric windshield wipers, and a B&MZ gate shifter. The car is in good condition, with a striking purple paint color and only 7,000 miles on the odometer. Notable upgrades include a dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers, electric front bucket seats, and cruise control. The front end and transmission have been rebuilt within the last 8 to 10 years. Despite the cracked rear side window that needs replacement, the car runs well but may require the carburetor to be rebuilt due to gummed up fuel jets. It has been stored in a garage for most of the year, only being used for about 8 weeks during summer months. It's an ideal option for someone looking to restore or collect a classic vehicle. For more details and pictures, check the link in the description. This 1937 Ford Tudor Slantback is an excellent example of vintage American engineering, with a well-maintained 8-cylinder engine and manual transmission. The car has only 44,000 miles on it, and the engine has been upgraded with an Isky Max 1 cam, adjustable lifters, racing pistons, and a 4-barrel carb paired with electronic ignition. It also features wide white radial tires, adding to its classic appeal. The body is solid with no rust, making it a great base for a collector or restoration project. The current owner is the third registered keeper, and the car comes with a clean title. This rare find in excellent condition can be yours for $16,500 in Port Hadlock, WA. If you're a vintage car enthusiast, don't miss this opportunity. For more details, check the description below. The 1937 Plymouth Business Coupe is an exceptional classic vehicle, valued at $10,000, located in Birdwood, Colorado. This vintage automobile features a 4-cylinder gas engine with 97,000 miles on the odometer, and it is in excellent condition, showcasing a sleek black paint job. The car comes with a clean title and is powered by a manual transmission, making it a fun and authentic driving experience. Its original miles and well-maintained status make it a desirable find for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a vintage driver or restoration project. The vehicle runs and drives smoothly, and its classic charm makes it a standout piece for any classic car enthusiast. Please check the link in the description for more detailed information and photos of this beautiful 1937 Plymouth Business Coupe. Step back in time with this stunning 1937 Plymouth Coupe, offered at just $10,000 in Berthoud, Colorado. With a clean title and an odometer reading of 97,000 miles, this rear-wheel drive classic runs and drives as it should, powered by a reliable 6-cylinder gas engine and a manual transmission. Finished in sleek black and preserved in excellent condition, it's a rare survivor that speaks to a bygone era of craftsmanship and style. Whether you're a collector or a dreamer with a vision for restoration, this coupe is a solid investment. Its price and condition make it a compelling opportunity. See the link in the description for more details and photos. Today, we've got a real gem for vintage car enthusiasts, the 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe, a true classic with a lot of historic charm. Priced at $12,500, this sedan is a beautiful time capsule from the late 30s, sporting its original black paint that looks surprisingly fresh despite its age. With a solid, rust-free body that originally came from Nebraska, it's perfect for restoration or display. The car features an original interior in great condition for its year, but the original 216 inline six-cylinder engine isn't running now. It needs a rebuild, but the transmission and rear end are in good working order. Recent investments include a $3,500 conversion to 12 volts and a $1,500 radiator rebuild. The odometer reads 43,000 miles. All gauges and systems like the wipers, heater, lights, and horn are functioning. It's a rare find with its clean title, manual transmission, and RWD drive. It offers an excellent platform for restoration lovers or collectors wanting a piece of automotive history. Whether you're a seasoned vintage car enthusiast or a collector looking for that perfect restoration project, this 38 Chevy is a blast from the past waiting for its next chapter. Check out the links in the description for more details and to see if this beauty could be yours. For sale is a classic 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe two-door sedan, offered at a price of $13,500. This well-preserved vehicle comes with a 216 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, representing an excellent find for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. With 99,999 miles on the odometer, this car is 98% complete and retains 98% of its original features. The straight black body has never been fixed, showing no dents or rust, while the original upholstery is in very good condition considering its age. The car maintains its original engine, transmission, and axle, accentuated by a clean title status. Its classic design and solid build make it not only appealing for restoration, but also perfect for vintage driving. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Step back in time with this charming 1938 Desoto Sedan, available now for $11,500 in Hubbard, Ohio. This vintage classic boasts a good condition body, featuring a distinctive green paint job complemented by a brown interior, making it a standout piece for any collector or enthusiast. Powered by a 6-cylinder gas engine paired with a manual transmission and a 3-speed on the column with overdrive, it offers an authentic driving experience. With only 51,707 miles on the odometer, this 4-door sedan retains its original charm and cleanliness, including a clean title. Perfect as a restoration project or as a vintage showstopper, it captures the nostalgia of late 1930s automotive design. Whether you're a serious collector or someone looking to add a piece of history to your garage, this Desoto offers both style and character. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more detailed information and photos of this rare find. This classic 1938 Plymouth sedan is a charming vintage vehicle offered at $17,000, located in Sonora, California. It features all Ford running gear, including a V6 motor paired with a C4 automatic transmission and a Ford rear end, making it a strong candidate for restoration or enjoyable cruising. The car has approximately 40,000 miles and is in good condition with a green paint finish and nice upholstery. It is a turnkey driver, perfect for classic car enthusiasts who appreciate the nostalgia of a well-maintained, older vehicle that combines classic style with reliable mechanics. The title is clean, ensuring smooth ownership transfer. Whether you're into hot rods or rat rods, this 87-year-old beauty offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. Today, we are showcasing a stunning example of automotive history, the 1940 Buick Coupe. This classic gem is offered at $15,000 and is located in the quaint town of Homer City, Pennsylvania. It's not just a car, it's a slice of the past, boasting an excellent condition rating. This beauty comes equipped with an 8-cylinder engine, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. Its rear-wheel drive and manual transmission give you complete control, perfect for those who love the hands-on driving experience. The odometer reads a mere 35,000 miles, which is incredibly low for a car of this vintage. It's dressed in an eye-catching blue, sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The title is clean, and the car still holds on to much of its original charm, having been mostly kept stock. It's even been updated to a 12-volt system for added reliability. Whether you're a collector or just have a deep appreciation for vintage cars, this 1940 Buick Coupe is a must-see. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of history. Check out the links in the description for more information.